So it's really important, especially in winter, to have all your navigational tools nice and organised. So in my pocket here, I'm using a cut down map of the area which I'm going to be walking in. That makes it much more easy to manage whilst I'm on the hill. And it's inside a waterproof case, and the case is such that my compass sticks to it to make taking bearings a little bit easier. Both of those two are attached to the inside of my pocket, so if I was to drop something it wouldn't get blown away or get damaged. As well as that, I've got my little timings card here to help me work out the maths for my distances, as well as my maps and compass. I've got my watch on the outside of my jacket, my wrist just here, so if I am doing timings I can see that nice and easily. Also, I'm making sure that my phone is in a different pocket, well away from my compass over here. And I also carry a spare map and compass in my rucksack in case I was to damage this one just here. For more information on how to actually navigate in winter, head to the Glenmore Lodge YouTube channel and click subscribe.